That's where the charge controller is, and we were able to navigate through all of this. About 1 kilometer of range left. Hi friends, this is Sid.
Hi, this is Amit.
And you're watching Sustainability. What? So in this trip we're trying to do a trip from Pune to Pavna Lake. Okay, this is the first time any of us have driven so far, I think.
Yeah.
And it's going to be a really awesome experience for us. The total distance from Pune on maps it showed something like 40 kilometers, and the range of our EV is about 85 kilometers. So we are kind of pushing it to the limit, so let's see if we may have to charge it somewhere in the middle or not. Okay, so we are currently at the Pavna river. I think we are still to go like 20 kilometers to go.
Yeah.
Okay, still 20 kilometers to go. We'll keep you updated how the range is doing, how the performance of the scooter is doing. See you later. So welcome guys, this is my Ather 450X. And get out of it. Thank you, reverse gear. Here we go. We left Pune pretty early in the morning, so we met at 6:30 at Hinjawadi.
Hinjawadi Market Bridge.
And so we were a little bit confused on what way to take from there. But thanks to the 7-inch touchscreen on Ather, we were able to find a proper way.
It was quite a comfortable ride, except for the middle patch, which was like a rough terrain. Scooter performance on the highway was much better, because right now the roads are not are very bad.
15 to 18 kilometers we've covered so far, and I think we've done half of it on the highway, and half of it on, you know, some nice countryside roads. Just look at this, what beauty! Wow. So we have another 15 kilometers to go to Pavna Lake. The range of my scooter is 44 kilometers. So that leaves me with about 29 kilometers of range left. And to go back, we need 45 kilometers of range. So I think we're gonna have to charge up our scooters a little bit at one of the places in Pavna Lake. Amit has already spoken to a restaurant owner, so luckily we have a dedicated charging point at this time. Huh? So like you see right now, the scooter is going on slope. So in moments like these, you don't need to accelerate. You can just let the scooter drive itself, you know, because of the gravity. So that helps you improve the range of the scooter quite a bit. There is the Pavna Dam, and we have 30 kilometers of range left. So perfect estimation of the kind of range that's remaining on the scooter. Good job, Ather. Kya baat hai? We're gonna go from right above there, above the dam. So we're just gonna climb this ghat so we can get on that level and climb it up. So now I've switched to ride mode. Because of the ghat section, it's a pretty steep ghat, and it wasn't really picking up that well on the eco mode, so I've switched to ride, and it's just cutting through it like anything, man. It's a much better driving experience when you ride it on that ride mode. Woo! Oh boy! So when you come to Pavna Lake and you want to visit the Pavna Dam, it's a fantastic scene. You know, you can go around the dam and have a look, but you're not allowed to walk on the dam, so that's not allowed. But the scene,
awesome.
when you go ahead from this road, the scene from there is absolutely amazing.
I'll try to explore that road.
Which one? That side?
Till there.
Yeah. The explorer is here with us. So guys, we're here at Aryan Restaurant near Pavna Dam. So this place has a couple of charging points right here. This one is a 16 amp charging point, and it was very important for us to charge the vehicle because we've got about 30 kilometers of range remaining on our bikes right now. And to keep some buffer period, I think we'll charge it up to 45-50 kilometers just in case. So what happened was, चार्जिंग पॉइंट यहाँ पे है, पार्किंग यहाँ पे है, और इधर का चार्जिंग केबल इज आई थिंक अबाउट 5 to 6 meters long, right?
Little less than that.
A little less than that. So it wasn't possible to charge it all the way from here. तो हमने क्या किया, बाइक यहाँ पे पीछे लगा दी, inside the woods, and we were able to navigate through the trees. That's where the charge controller is, and we were able to navigate through all of this and get the charging wire on the other side. So with this we were able to at least put the vehicle for charging, and as you can see, it's charging pretty well. So Amit has a little bit of range left in his bike, a lot more range actually than mine. So we're just going to go double seat and explore a bit more about Pavna Lake.
And we'll get back to you.
Yep.
In the meantime, let's have a
Protein bar. And Aryan Restaurant is making poha for us. So we're going to have poha and protein bar for breakfast.
Explore the...
So this is the Aryan Restaurant. And now we're going to go ahead and explore the beautiful Pavna Lake. So this is the Pavna Lake. That's the dam. So in the beginning we were on the other side of the dam. Now we've come to the opposite side. Okay guys, it's about 12:30 PM now. We have charged up our scooters at Aryan Restaurant. So it took about an hour and a half to 2 hours to get it charged, another 25 kilometers I think. 25-30 kilometers.
That is good enough for us to reach back home.
And a good tip for all of you who are planning to do road trips with EVs, you know, you'll get times like these when you are just plugged in your scooter for maybe 2 hours, 3 hours and just waiting for it to charge. There's a lot of activities you can do in this middle time. So I was just attending a meeting. He was talking to the locals and telling them about EVs. There's a lot of things you can do during this time. Maybe if there's a group of you going together, you can play some board games, you know, get chess, Monopoly.
Absolutely.
So it's going to be a lot of fun doing long rides with this. So yeah, we've topped up our scooters now, and we'll head on to Pune. See you guys soon.
Hi. So guys, we are taking a short break from our journey from Pavna Dam to Pune. So we are refreshing ourselves with this sugarcane juice, and at the same time our Ather can relax.
How is it performing in the sun? It's almost 1 p.m. in the middle of the day.
Yeah, I was surprised to see the performance of the scooter, and she's doing very well. It's a full test of the motor, the battery, the electronics. So far so good. It's working pretty well, and I'm happy with the performance of Ather 450X.
Nice. So guys, we have just found out that Amit's Ather has now completed 1000 kilometers. Congratulations.
Yeah.
The range is about 31 kilometers and we have another 21 kilometers to go. We just took a nice short break at the sugarcane stand. We had a wonderful sugarcane juice. It was totally unexpected, like a really long glass, tasty sugarcane. And everyone, literally, I'm not kidding, everyone at the sugarcane stand, you know, the shop owners, the customers, everyone was asking about the Ather scooter. And we literally spent like 10-15 minutes just explaining them things about the bike. And that's the kind of attention you get when you drive the scooter everywhere. You know, even when in the village that we went to near Pavna, everyone was just turning their heads. Oh, ye kya, ye gaadi dikhao yaar, ye kya hai? Everyone was going crazy. Oh look, there's a petrol pump. Wow, old relic as far as I'm concerned. But moving on. So right now we are at Dehu Road bypass. My range is 24 kilometers and I have to go all the way home to Varze. So let's see if we're able to crunch in the range. And I have 14 kilometers of range to go, and I think I've got another 12 to 13 kilometers to go until I reach home. About 1 kilometer of range left. There's my home. Woohoo!